Ever pondered how the soothing, healing gel of aloe vera makes its journey from the plant to the myriad of products it enriches? The process is intricate but fascinating, and today we'll be delving into the details. In the sprawling, sun-kissed fields, the aloe vera plants stand tall, their thick, fleshy leaves brimming with the valuable gel. The first step in the extraction process is the hand harvesting of these leaves. Harvesters choose the most mature leaves, typically those that are 3 to 4 years old, as they contain the highest concentration of active ingredients. Once the leaves are collected, they are taken to the processing facility. Here, they are rinsed thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris from the fields. Hygiene is paramount in this process, as the aloe vera gel is often used in products that are applied topically or ingested. The next step is to fillet the leaves. This requires a sharp blade and a steady hand. The outer layer of the leaf is carefully sliced away to reveal the clear gel inside. This gel is then scraped out, ensuring the yellowish latex lining known as aloin is left behind. It's crucial to avoid this aloin, as it has a bitter taste and can cause adverse reactions in some people. The extracted gel is then placed in a blender and processed until it reaches a smooth consistency. This is the raw aloe vera gel, rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. But before it can be used in products, it needs to be stabilized. Stabilization is a critical part of the process. Aloe vera gel is highly perishable and would spoil quickly if left untreated. This step involves adding natural preservatives and antioxidants to the gel, which helps to extend its shelf life without compromising its beneficial properties. Finally, the stabilized aloe vera gel is filtered to remove any remaining solids. It then undergoes pasteurization to kill off any potentially harmful bacteria. Once pasteurized, the gel is ready to be used in a myriad of products, from skincare and hair care products to dietary supplements and beverages. To summarize, the extraction of aloe vera for industrial use involves several steps: harvesting the leaves, cleaning them, filleting to remove the gel, blending the gel, stabilizing it with natural preservatives, filtering, and pasteurizing. This meticulous process ensures that the aloe vera gel retains its beneficial properties and is safe for use in a wide range of products. So, the next time you apply that soothing aloe vera lotion or sip on an aloe-infused beverage, spare a thought for the journey that humble leaf undertook to bring you its healing benefits. It's quite the voyage, isn't it?